So ito po yung login and register system ko. And first, bago tayo mag-login, mag-register muna tayo. For example, Marie gmail.com. Marie 1, 2, 3. And then sign up. And magre-redirect sa login. Login tayo. Marie 1, 2, 3. Login. So ito, welcome Marie. Then view profile, username and email, and then sa home, and then sa database. Let's check. Kung makikita natin, meron na. Ito yung password na cache. That's it. Log out. That's it, guys. Thank you.